This durian is still a little bit frozen, but ooh, I already smell it and it's frozen. It kind of smells like grapefruit, and I don't like the smell of grapefruit, but let me smell it. Yeah, it smells like grapefruit. So my husband doesn't like to be on camera, but he's got his mic on, so smell it, hon. What does it smell like to you? Does it smell like grapefruit or something different?
Something different. It does smell oniony.
A little bit. All right, so wow. The outside's kind of weird. Hmm. I thought I was gonna gag, but gosh, it's so hard to describe. The outside is kind of like this weird, as if you're kind of eating like saran wrap. On the inside, it's kind of like a frozen banana, but like the inside's kind of like mango. How it's like thick.
Mm.
Yeah, it's very interesting. But what I
Probably
like
would taste stronger if it was not frozen too.
for sure. All right, now everybody has their own taste buds and likes, so I'm really curious to see as to what you think it. Oh, he's making a face. He's making a yucky face. He's smelling it. Little taste. He's chewing it. Oh, he's making gagging. he just spit it into his hand. Oh, really? Now he's getting up to throw it away. Well, it's gonna stink up the trash can, right? Well, that's funny. Yeah, everyone's different. So he likes things I don't like, and I don't like some of his things. Like I don't like his smoothies, and he doesn't like mine. I don't mind it. Wouldn't go out of my way to purchase this. Oh, it's stuck in my teeth. It's kind of fibrous. I was talking to my neighbor, and she was super excited that I was trying this. My husband says, if we don't like it, we're gonna give it to you. And she kind of laughed. And she said, which I thought was hilarious, she says, after you eat durian, if you just hang out at home, no big deal. But she says, if you leave the house, you have to brush your teeth really well because you don't want stinky durian breath. So I thought that was pretty fine. I guess I'll go brush my teeth. What is it? What's in your mouth?
3 minutes.
Oh God, you made me choke. He opened his mouth, there's like these 3 dots. And I'm like, what is that? He put 3 mints in his mouth. You gotta brush your teeth. Oh my gosh, you know what? Why don't I exhale and you let me know if I've got durian? When he said no. You won't let me exhale on you? For this durian smoothie, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Brings out the flavor. 100% coconut water. Most durian recipes, they'll ask for dairy milk. Yuck. Full of animal grossness. Anyway, this is saturated fat. This is 0 fat. And the coconut gives it a little bit of coconut flavor and some sweetness. 2 frozen bananas, previously frozen and in 1-inch chunks. A teaspoon of alcohol-free vanilla extract. 1 cup pineapple. And the last ingredient I'm going to get out is the durian, and I'm getting it out last because it is stinky. This is what the box looks like, and there's all different size pieces. I don't want a huge piece. I think I'll do this medium-sized one. Toss it in here. All right, let's take a spin on low. Let's see if I can smell it. Yep. A little less stinky now that it's mixed with all the other ingredients. It's actually pretty good. I think most people would like this. It tastes like pineapple with a little bit of durian. I would say if you have some almond milk, maybe toss a little bit of that in. But yeah, it's really good. I'll put exactly how I made this in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions and if you have any additional information you want to share about durian fruit. All right. Okay. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.